everybody. Yeah, let's see, out in the audience, I see Grandma Ann and Grandpa Gary, Grandpa Mike, Grandma Gilda. Oh my goodness, so many grandparents. I can just feel the love flowing. Who's here helps their grandma and grandpas make sure they have a coat and hat on before they go outside? Anybody else? Anybody else have to wear a coat outside? Yeah. Our grandmas and grandpas love us, don't they? And they want to make sure we stay nice and warm if it's cold outside. Yes, we do. We don't want to get sick, do we? Well, anybody else? Do you have to eat vegetables and fruit? Yeah. Do your life grandpas make sure you eat healthy? Or do they give you special treats? They make me healthy. Right. Yeah. Oh, ow, ow! I know. Ouch, ouch.
Weak.
What do you like to eat?
Weak stuff.
Weak stuff. Fruits and vegetables make you grow, though, right? Do fruits and vegetables make you grow? Yeah. Spinach. You like spinach? Yeah. But do your grandmas and grandpas treat you healthy stuff to eat? Nothing, yeah.
They won't eat nothing.
Oh my goodness. I have a question. Who here likes to read books with their grandmas and grandpas? Me. Is there anybody else? Like to read some books? Oh, no. And
A bull is chasing a dog. He's gonna eat the dog's tail.
oh, ouch.
And she is chasing the dog.
What
The
about
tail
do your grandmas and
is
grandpas like to
a
read
wacky
Bible?
dog with a fly.
That's what we do here. Okay, well, who here likes to hear about Jesus and not how God loves us? Is that good stuff to know? Yeah. I think our friends Sally and Lucy brought everybody a special coloring book to take home.
A tail chasing the dog. Another tail chasing the dog.
And I think everybody needs to take these coloring books home and color with their
And another tail chasing the dog.
Okay, well, thanks everybody for listening.